Yeah, hi there again. It's Willie D. I went to New York and I bought 3 tin cars and I got a little bit of a cut on them, but as you can see they're in quite good shape. This needs a little cleaning in the front, but you know, I kind of like that it's old, but that's in good condition. This is in really good condition except for this little knock here. Also made in Japan, and this one's made in Japan, and this one's a little bit more rough and it has very poor kind of dirt markings on it, and I just want to show you how I'm going to clean this up. So I get myself, you know, the polishing compound, light to medium cleaner that you get. This is the Turtle one actually, but you can get any brand you like, as long as it's not too heavy on the rubbing compound, like that it doesn't score too much. It has to be like really a polishing, you know, kind of final car compound that you get, and then you take your napkin here and pull it in it, and you start wiping it clean like this here in circular motion. You keep circular moving it, you get a fairly clean car. It definitely upgraded the car, like from like a $15 car what this was, which I actually got thrown into the end, say. But anyways, from $15 or $10 you can bring this thing up to like most likely $55. So you know, it's a way to, if anybody's wants to make a little bit of extra money on the side, Tin Toys is a really good way to do it. And you know, you don't want to overdo it because you don't want to ruin the aging of the car, but you want to make it look cleaner or that it was kept well. So there you go. Yeah, I'm just doing the bonnet right now in this blue, but you can see the bonnet is beginning to shape up. And you can see, if I point it here, see the color change from there, color change from here to there is like pretty drastic. And let's get it in the camera proper. See there? That's all the dirt that's accumulated, and there's the white coming back out. Okay. Okay, we'll do a dirty section here so you can see what happens. It's cleaning up nicely. Okay, so I have an airline toothbrush here I got on my trip home from New York, and you got that there. You can put this in the cracks, see, and that gets all that dirt out of the cracks. You can add a little bit of water to your compound if you want. You got to keep scrubbing though until it's right. And if this isn't working, if it's too soft or something, you get another little harder brush to do it. Okay, let's get that clean so you can see what we got. I got a little mark here which I don't like, which I hope comes out. But look at the difference. Look at that difference, how much that's shining compared with what it was. Yeah, look. So just carry on cleaning up the car. I might take it apart and clean up inside and that yet. So let's do the back of the car so you can see that, how dirty it is. There you go. And we'll put this on there. I'll do it with this paper towel again first. I mean, it's not really much to do. I don't understand why in an antique shop they sit there and they don't do anything and they don't polish these things up and make an extra couple of dollars, but I suppose they don't want to bother. Look at the difference. There you go. From what it was, it's already really polishing up. There's the side door. You don't want the compound to rub so hard that it takes the paint off. You want a light compound, right? So it shines it up. See? Okay. So I had to take the police department car apart, and I'm polishing this up, and I'm going to chrome the parts as well, the bumper, the window, and the back bumper, clean it all up, and put it back together again.